UNN Zoo is one of the oldest university zoos in Nigeria. It is situated inside the University of Nigeria and it's run by Faculty of Veterinary and Biological Sciences. The zoo is said to have been abandoned for many years and there are just only but few animals left inside. And today I am going inside to see what the zoo actually looks like after all these years. So guys, we are here at UNN Zoo to check out some animals they have here. So we just arrived here now. So you can see some monkeys. You can see them over there. They are trying to cage them. UNN are known for their students are called the lion and lionesses. Probably we could get to see lion and lionesses here. So we're also trying to make some payments. Yeah, they say we should pay 100 naira before we could get in. So that's why what we are trying to process now. Say hello to the camera.
Hello guys, what's up? Okay, we're here to UNN Zoo as you all know. We came to check out on some animals. I heard there's a lion here. We're going to find out today, but
Eh,
see now.
they gave us a ticket and then we proceeded to see the animals. There is no tour guide in the zoo, so we just have to do everything by ourselves. Our first stop was where they kept the monkeys. These are the monkeys there. They have about 10 to 15 monkeys here. That is number one, two, the one. There's two, three. There's two over there. There's two over here. But these ones are the little monkeys. Two here too, but they're still little. And then this one. Yeah. There are a lot of monkeys here, though. There are a lot of monkeys, more than about 20 or 30 of them. There are too many of them because you can see other ones too over there, and there's one there. There's also another one cage there. I think they still have another one there with them over there. So you can see it. Look at it there. They said chimpanzee, baboon here. Let's see if there is a chimpanzee and the baboon inside there. Let's do it first. Look at, there is no chimpanzee here, but they said chimpanzee and baboon. But what you can see here is fishing. Guys, there is nothing really here at all. It's just the monkey that we saw at the entrance gate. Every other thing we are seeing here is just swing. You can see them. This place was used as a recreational park, or maybe I think there was a time this place was functional, but nothing is really here. We are still walking around to see if we can see any other interesting animal around here. Because I heard that there is alligator here, there is a crocodile here, and then there is a tortoise, and an ancient tortoise here too. So that's what we are still trying to locate. So, but the first thing we saw there is a guinea fowl cage, of which there is no guinea fowl there. Just saw tortoise, land of tortoise. Maybe where is it? Where? Okay, 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 okay. Yeah. Look at tortoise over there. Let's zoom it. Let's find a way to Let's find a way if you can enter inside now. Are you sure we can enter inside? Let's see if we can.
Except from inside there. See that place?
Yeah. Why not? Let's check it out now. Let's check it out. Can see it. Like see the tortoise is hidden just right there. Can see it moving. The tortoise could confirm to be part of the zoo for years, but there is no official record to determine how many years the tortoise has lived. Like follow the other way round.
Sure. How other part of June?
No, like the other side. Let's see if you can see the face of the tortoise. Because you know the tortoise is moving towards the side.
Outside, I'm going to go outside here. Let's follow the
Look at the way that we even tried to follow, but the place is blocked. What do you think about this place?
For me? But yeah, I'm not gonna lie, it's messed up.
Yeah.
It's not what I expected, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not even seeing any animal. The only one I saw is the monkey and then this tortoise.
And the tortoise itself is like the tortoise is shy. He's just hiding around. He's not.
It's shy.
This place is. I think
Let's keep checking. This is not the only place.
So where else do I have to check? To see what? To see what there? More. This place is very nice to actually have a lot of animals, but it's so unfortunate that the whole University of Nigeria don't really have any animals here. UNN Zoo has a very beautiful, serene environment, and it's very big enough to house several animals. Because of how enclosed the bushes are, some wild animals could also be preserved here. Oh, jeez. When it started to rain enough, this place will fill up.
Yeah, let me try it.
Okay, try it. Let's have it to react.
Right.
This one is not even moving. Try it. They're not even moving.
I want to see. His body is scale.
My own self, I even think that they are dead. Like exactly. you think they are dead. What do you think they feed alligators?
Honestly, they cannot live there because when they go on land, they can go there. You see that bush. They can't pass the place.
This is the only alligator they have here. So we have seen monkey and we have seen 2 alligators. And then other ones are birds and cobwebs. Even the few animals here are not properly kept, and the facilities have completely faded and been abandoned. I think the school management should consider revamping the zoo, because the primary purpose of a zoo in every institution is for educational purposes and for students to have a wildlife experience. I don't even know when last I swim. I think that was when I was in secondary school. That was the last time I swim. So it has quite been a long time. People see us doing this, they'll be like, this one not be swim. But I'm going shameless now. There are several other activities which could be done here that could help generate more money for the school. Support this channel by clicking the subscribe button below, and don't forget to like and share this video so YouTube can recommend it to more viewers. See you on the next one.